Work.Life is at its core an office-based provider. We provide workspace for entrepreneurs, startups, freelancers and small fast-growing businesses. What sets us apart and what we focus on is I think that we believe that happiness and engagement are the cause to a team's success. We found that within our team and especially within our membership base, which is over 300 different companies and different businesses with various needs, that we needed a partner who had the breadth and depth that Jolt has in terms of syllabus, in terms of curriculum. Learning is 360, it's not linear, so we needed a pool of learning essentially to go to, and Jolt was able to offer that. We have access not just to London-based and local-based teachers, but subject matter experts from around the world, which was really, really attractive to us. And I think the final thing is we are interested in working with partners that we like, we feel warm to. We talk about community and we talk about making things very personal as part of our core values. And it's a great group of people and a really cool business that we like. We have made the decision to bring Jolt in-house, to have a Jolt Box installed in one of our meeting spaces, and also to personalise and create our own programme. The process was really easy. We installed the box over a day and a half, I think, not even, and we were able to collaborate and work with the experts at Jolt and also get feedback from our teams on what sort of information would be most useful, what sort of learnings would make the biggest difference. It's difficult sometimes to bring somebody to the table, and I think Jolt's found a way to make it fun and simple and engaging and easy to follow and use. And I think that's made a big difference for a modern workforce, and the type of people that we have in our team really care about the experience of it just as much as the quality of the learning that comes through. So we're able to spend time outside of the Jolt to digest the information, to workshop how it can make a difference for us, and what learnings individually and as a team we've taken that we'd like to apply back into our work. There's so much out there to learn, it's nice to be able to kind of pick live what you want to focus on.